and we've been with Karma Royal for 12 months, that we just knew at it all. It was very scary to sign up though,
at the start.
We sort of didn't know whether we should or we shouldn't, and and we sort of just seen other people, talk to other people, and they said it was really good, and we're glad we actually joined up.
The main reason we bought into it is the family using it as well, friends, and we can have a holiday.
More
holiday every year and that. So that's what our
all the kids are grown up, so now it's our turn to have a good time. Yeah. Well, we actually looked it up on the internet when we got home, and there was things that said there's scams and all of this, and then we just sort of rang back the rep guy that we dealt with, and he assured us that it was all above board and all of that, which made us feel a bit better, and because there are lots of things on the internet that tell you different things, and we heard a lot of testimonials from a lot of other people, and that reassured us a bit more, and so no, it was really good.
We're planning to take a few of the family members on it in a few years.
And that, bring them over.
Yes, on behalf of Sandy and myself, I'd like to thank the Karma Group. Many more years of holidays, and hope everyone has a good time. Cheers.